He said left, it is not left first. Got that Guess Who look right now.
Hey guys, we are the Virzi Triplets and we are here at the Hair Center of Turkey getting ready to get our surgeries today. Yesterday was our consultation and we took a tour of the town of Istanbul. And today we get our procedures done. Let's do it.
No hair in the middle. And we're at the Hair Center of Turkey.
Hey guys, we're the Virzi Triplets. We are stand-up comedians and actors from Los Angeles, California. We had a first hair transplant in Los Angeles and we were not satisfied with the results. We were looking into a second hair transplant and we found the Hair Center of Turkey on Instagram. All the results were amazing. We booked a consultation through WhatsApp. They answered all of our questions and we booked our flights to Turkey. We landed in Istanbul and they picked us up in a beautiful car. They took us to the hotel and made sure we were taken care of. The hotel was beautiful. They gave us the VIP experience and then they booked a consultation for us the next day. At the clinic, we met the entire team and they answered all of our questions once again. Then afterwards, they took us on a little tour of Istanbul where we got to experience some of the culture, the amazing food, and the sights to see. It was beautiful. The next day we got to meet with a doctor. They took our blood work to make sure everything was perfect before surgery. Then we went in and we shaved our heads. It was time to design the hairline. The team took about 45 minutes to design each hairline that would work perfect for us, especially because they were building off our first transplant, and they designed hairlines that would fit our face and our muscle shape as well. And we had different needs even though we're triplets, and they did an amazing job with it. Then we went into surgery and we had that first hair transplant. We were a little worried because it was painful, but this second transplant, there was no pain at all. We went under sedation and we felt no pain. We had no anxiety about everything. It was a little long, but it was honestly a completely perfect experience. The entire process was about 6 to 8 hours with a little break in between. And honestly, it kind of flew by and it's worth it. After the operation, they were very thorough about our aftercare process and answered every question that we had. After the operation, they walked us through the aftercare process and they were very thorough about everything we needed and answered all of our questions. The next morning, we went in to get our bandage cleaned. They took the bandage off, cleaned the entire area, and made sure it was disinfected. Today was our wash day. They washed us up. They made our hairlines look beautiful. And now we are just waiting for the results. Thank you, Hair Center of Turkey. Let's go.